Hi everyone, it's Nikki, Irish DR Horton Chick here, and I'm so excited to tell you about some of our new incentives for this coming year. We have some fantastic opportunities and I'm excited to share about it. For our Stage 5 buyers using DHI, we have rates as low as 3.99%, which is amazing, and that's with FHA. And then for our conventional buyers, we have rates as low as 4.75% and up to $5,000 in closing costs, which is incredible. For pre-sales, cash buyers, and people who don't qualify for some of the special rates with our preferred lender, if they are still going forward with our preferred lender, you may qualify for an incentive of $20,000, and you can use that on many different things. Some people use it to buy down the rate, some people use it for a move-in package, so a washer, dryer, refrigerator, blinds, all different kinds of things that we have. This is my favorite part too. Agents, we're offering 4% commission, which is Merry Christmas to you. You can get 4% commission on any contract that is written between December 6th and December 31st, 2025. What a way to start the new year with 4% in the bank. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by any one of our communities. We would absolutely love to help you find the perfect DR Horton home.